Each of the moment people don't flee perhaps, or someone is resisting arrest for some reason. So my point is going to be about the arrest part. Where someone is reporting you or your neighbor or anyone else who's seeing crime being committed, you pick up the phone and you phone the police. My part is to appeal to the community. Let the process take its course. Because what arrest means is, someone must have called the police. Police have a reason to come and exercise their duties, isn't it? They get paid to do this. So, although some members of the community see them as enemies, so to speak, they are there, they were trained and get paid to come and bring in law and order in our society. So, they would come in and arrest someone. Allow that process to take place, please. Don't get involved in trying to maybe fight with the community or with the police and trying to push someone, don't get in the van or throw stones at the police. Because now, that is another crime. Now you are going to get involved as well. You can now also be arrested. So the issue of arrest is very important. It means you have done something wrong. Now you must come and answer to it. The only way to answer is we arrest you, we take you to the police station. Some of us know the process at the police station as well. You can be released immediately or you can be released after 48 hours, isn't it? After you've appeared in court, and all of that. So if we were to just, as the community, allow that process of arrest to take place, and when you are arrested, you get to the police station, give your full details, give your correct name and surname, please. Because now when you don't give the correct information, the police are following it up at the wrong address, you're not going to end up getting bail, isn't it? Because you are saying you're living in 15 Kerkstraat, and when they go to 15 Kerkstraat, they don't know anyone by your name, Now I'm sitting there as your advocate, and I'm saying, no, you gave me your name, you said you are Mr. Shahid, you live in 15 Kerkstraat, and the police go and check there if you live there. There is no 15 Kerkstraat maybe, or the people in 15 Kerkstraat, they don't know Mr. Shahid. So try and be honest so that the process can run smoothly in your favor. It helps us as well as your attorneys when we're speaking on your behalf to the other to give you bail and to have mercy on you and the prosecutors. So the process of arrest starts there. The arrest itself, let it go on. When you get to the police station, give your full details so that by the time you get to court, we are involved as well. We have a better chance to speak on your behalf and have either the prosecutor or that investigating officer say, all right, this is a person maybe who's doing this for the first time, or this is a person who's maybe deserves a second chance because of the facts or the story that I was told as a policeman of the things that he has done. No, this person I can give bail to. So I would ask an advocate, because eventually when this case gets to the High Court, it has been maybe a year or two, but when we look there at the bottom, things went wrong right at the foundation of it, at the time of arrest, and at the time when you were giving your information, and by the time you get to the trial, which my colleagues are going to talk about it again has a bearing on who you are before the magistrate, because they're going to look at the whole history. You haven't been truthful, because you've lied, and you were fighting with the police that you arrested, and you've been lying right through, and it's going to be now again to your disadvantage, isn't it? When we are asking the court to have mercy on you or to believe your story. So yes, it's very important that at the arrest, please give the relevant information, and obviously you will consult eventually with a legal representative. And
die persoon kan 'n plekjie ooreenkoms met die staat aangaan, dis met die ondermagistraat aangaan. In daai gevalle is dit 'n soort van 'n ooreenkoms wat aangegaan word tussen die staat en die persoon. Die persoon word, wanneer hy of sy die hof binnestap, weet hulle wat is die vonnis wat opgelê is. Dit is nie die landros wat die vonnis oplê nie, of die magistraat wat die vonnis oplê nie. Dit is tussen die twee, die ondermagistraat en die prokureur gereël die vonnis, en as hulle gelukkig is en die kliënt is gelukkig met dit, kan die hof dan dit bekragtig. Maar onthou wat die hof voel, die vonnis is te lig, kan die hof dan inmeng en sê nee, ek is nie gelukkig met hierdie vonnis nie, en daarom gaan ek dit bekragtig nie. As die persoon voel, dis die vonnis wat hy of sy wil gehad het, kan hulle gaan en hulle kan voortgaan met 'n verhoor. As hulle voel hulle wil 'n vonnis vat wat miskien 'n bietjie swaarder is, nie so baie nie, kan die pleit verder gaan, die onderhandelinge tussen die staat. Dit is die twee opsies wat 'n persoon het wat skuldig pleit. As hy onskuldig pleit, moet die staat dan die saak teen hierdie persoon bewys. Hy gaan sy getuies roep, of die ondermagistraat roep hy sy of haar getuies om te kom getuig, sluit hulle saak, en dan kry die ander persoon ook 'n geleentheid. Jammer. Die persoon verskyn, rechtsop is altyd in die hof, so die saak sal onmiddellik opgeroep word. Dit sal nie vir u nodig wees om die hele dag te wag. Wanneer u 'n privaat prokureur aangestel het, die privaat prokureur het die saak op 'n ander plek en daai persoon kom laat. Dit is die rede hoekom u dan wag. Die autoriteit verstaan die mense, die dan gaan hulle recht na die ondermagistraat toe, en hulle weet dat het iemand wat hulle kinders verteenwoordig en hulle gaan nogtans na die ondermagistraat toe. Bly weg van die ondermagistraat af. Die ondermagistraat mag dalk net vir u iets vra wat u nie moet beantwoord nie. Bly net weg van hulle af. En wanneer die hof in sitting is, dit beteken dat die hof aan die gang is. U kan nie net stap na die ondermagistraat toe en met die persoon gaan praat nie. Of mense is geneig om hulle prokureurs te roep, wanneer hulle laat word die prokureurs gestoor. Mens moet respek toon aan die hof. So, dat word nie rond en rond, wanneer daar vertaging is, kan er gepraat word met die ondermagistraat. Dan komt die van bord, die persoon verskyn vir die eerste keer in die hof, nadat hy gearresteer is. Die saak word uitgestel vir 7 dae. Mense verstaan nie waarom die saak vir 7 dae uitgestel word nie. Is om inligting te kry, nie die persoon 'n vaste adres. Is persoonlike inligting wat verkry moet word, wat nie beteken aan die hof, soms aan die ondersoekbeampte en aan die magistraat. Self die prokureur het nie die inligting nie. Maar as hulle die inligting het, word dit makliker en hulle kan dan die persoon word gee. Die weet ook dat as die persoon in hegtenis is nadat hy gearresteer is, kan hy ook polisie word kry. Maar dit hang af vir wat die misdrijf hy gearresteer is. Dit is 'n hele lang proses. Indien enige ander vry kan jy my agterna kom vra. Wat ek net vir u wil sê is, nadat die persoon, as hy onskuldig gepleit het, jammer onskuldig bevind is in 'n verhoring, het hy nie langer 'n probleem nie. Maar waar hy skuldig bevind is, is daar 'n appelproses en dit staan nie vry om te vra.
If someone is injured or killed in a motor vehicle accident, you then have a third party claim. Who do you claim against? The claim is against the road accident fund. What is the road accident fund? The road accident fund is a fund constituted by the government, and the monies are taken from a petrol levy. So whenever you put in petrol in your car, out of every 1 rand, I think it's about 8 cents, goes to the road accident fund. The money in the road accident fund is then used to compensate. The road accident fund is based in Cape Town. They're national, they're all over the country. But in Cape Town, you will find them at Tyrell Square. The requirements for you to be able to claim are twofold. One is that the accident must not have been your fault. So, for example, if you were the driver of the car and you drove into a pole and you're injured, you can't claim because the accident was your own fault. So the question of fault is very important. You need to be very clear in your mind that it was not your fault, that it was the other driver's fault, and then you would have a claim. Also with regard to fault, when you do something with the claim, the road accident fund will investigate the claim. It can be that, and it often is that, it is found that both parties are at fault. Because not in every accident, it doesn't mean to say that one party is solely to blame. If both parties are found to be at fault, what then happens is the road accident fund normally accepts the claim, and they could, for example, say, you were 50% at fault, in which event they will pay 50% of your claim. Who can claim? If you are a driver, a pedestrian, a cyclist, a motorcyclist, and you're injured in an accident, you can of course claim. If it is a minor child is a child under the age of 18 years. If a minor child is injured, then the parent must claim. The parent claims on behalf of the child. If the child is a destitute child without parents, what happens is a curator wordt aangesteld. Een curator